Can you charge an Apple mouse with an iPhone charger? You can buy an Apple charger to charge your Apple mouse. Follow the step-by-step process on how to connect the Apple mouse, also known as the Magic Mouse, with the iPhone charger effortlessly. How can you charge an Apple mouse with an iPhone charger? Explained in 4 easy steps. This means it has a built-in battery or lithium-ion battery that needs to be charged like your mobile phone and can be used for almost a month when it's fully charged. You can use the Magic Mouse for 8 to 9 hours after only a few minutes of charging. Step 1. Locate the USB-C Lightning port. At the bottom of the mouse is a lightning port that works as the main charging port for Magic Mousses. Flip the mouse to locate the rectangular-shaped charging port underneath some texts or the Apple logo. Step 2. Connect the USB-C cable. When purchasing a Magic Mouse, you will receive a lightning cable or USB-C to charge it. However, if you don't have it, you can use any lightning cable to charge the mouse. Step 3. Insert the adapter. You can use your iPhone adapter in this case. Keep in mind, while the mouse is charging, you can't use it at all. Step 4. Charging time. It will take a few minutes to charge the mouse for a day's use. You can use your iPhone mouse for up to 4 weeks without any charging once it has been fully charged. How do I know if the mouse is charging or not? Plug in the mouse to the charger and keep it on. Now connect it to your Mac. There is a high chance that dirt might get in the charging port. Use a toothpick to collect the dirt from it. Why does Apple install the charging port at the bottom of the Magic Mouse? Isn't it strange that to charge a mouse, you need to flip, and there is a charging port under the mouse? So, Apple warns that you must avoid using the mouse while it is charging. Frequently asked question. There are many questions about how to use the iPhone charger to charge the Apple mouse. So here, we have mentioned a few to help you better understand the process of it. How long can an Apple Magic Mouse last while fully charged? The wireless mouse can last longer depending on the usage of it. However, if you carefully use it and charge it accordingly, you can use it for around 2 to 3 months, and it will last longer.